So ngayon ay ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang magiging reaksyon ni Arol kapag kukunin ko itong mais. Oh.
Again. Arul.
So, paborito niya ang corn. Parang sarap na sarap siya sa mais. Ami, ami! Bisa Rude Boy? At saka mag-ano din kami, mag-unbox kami ng kanyang parcel na baby wipes. So, i-open natin ang parcel ni Baby Arol. Is this a Rude Boy? Your baby wipes. Your wipes. Your wipes are... Baby, excuse me, excuse me. Excuse me. Hello. Your baby wipes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Is that everybody? So much baby wipes.
Do you want to give the reviews about the wipes?
Oh, this
It's
is
good or
very good because it's very soft and it's yellow. It's not dry. And Baby Arol really likes this. There's no rashes. And I recommend you to try this. That's my reviews. It's very good. It's not a waste of money.